Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna discuss how much days does Temu take to deliver. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. So guys, with that said, once you are on Temu, just simply go ahead and go to your cart. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and select the product that you want to buy, and now just simply tap on checkout. And from here, in order for you to see how much days does Temu take to deliver, you should be able to see here standard shipping free. So as you can see, when I ordered these two items, it will take up to 4 to 9 business days over here, as you can see. And when we tap on that, as you can see, you will have two options. So guys, you can either choose the standard free, and when you go to the express shipping, you'll be able to get it into 3 to 9 business days with a 72.5% within 6 business days. But it will charge you an additional $12 for it to be delivered into your place. So guys, this will vary, or this will depend on where are you located. So this will automatically adjust on where you are located. And there you go. This is how much days Temu will take to deliver. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.